Michelle baked some cupcakes for her school's bake sale. She baked 300 cupcakes total. Some of the cupcakes were chocolate and some were vanilla. 189 of the cupcakes were chocolate. How many cupcakes did she bake were vanilla? We're going to start this problem with our 300. 1, 2, 3 100s. So this is how many that Michelle had in total. So we're going to go over here and write 300. Okay. So to find out how many were vanilla, we know that 189 of them were chocolate. So if we subtract the chocolate from the total, we can find out how many are vanilla. So we're going to start this problem off. We know we can't take 0 ones from 9 ones. So what we need to do is break up one of these 100s. We're going to decompose this into tens. Because you see right here, we didn't have any tens to take the ones from. So we had to decompose one of the 100s into tens. So now we have 2 100s plus 10 tens. But we still need to get ones. So we need to decompose this one set of 10 into ones. All right. So now, instead of having 3 100s, we have 2 100s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens, and then we have 10 ones. So this is all 300, however, it's broken up differently. So now we have 10 ones. So if we take 10 away from 9, we have 1. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you see that we took 9 away from the 10 and have 1. All right, so remember we didn't have any tens, but now we did because we decomposed the 100, and now it left us with 9. So now we have 9 tens, which is 90. So if we take away 8 of those, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It leaves us with 1. We'll have 1 10 left. All right, so we have, instead of having 3 100s, we have 2 100s left, right? All right, so now we have to take away 1 100, and that leaves us with 1 100 left. So Michelle baked 111 vanilla cupcakes.